In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can switch between SIMs on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. So first tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now at the top here, swipe down twice to pull down the full quick settings menu. At the top here, you can quickly switch SIM by tapping on calls and then choose which SIMs you want to use. And for text messages, you can also choose which SIMs to use, and you can also set which SIMs to use for mobile data as well. Now you can also tap on the settings icon at the top, and in settings, go down and tap on connections, then tap on SIM card manager, and in here you can also make the changes from the preferred SIM card section. So you can either do it from the SIM card manager settings page, or you can quickly do it from the quick settings panel. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.